Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jackie and I'm an esthetician in the state of Ohio. I'd like to share my experience working at an office suite as an esthetician. I gathered a few clips from this past year and I hope you enjoy watching. From my experience, some days and hours were quiet and other times it was the complete opposite. The office I was leasing had an upstairs floor and most of the days you could hear laughter or conversations. They would bring in their dogs, and so in the middle of a service with a client you could just hear the dogs running back and forth. And on Saturdays a cleaning company would come in, and during service you could hear the vacuum upstairs and on my level, and it really wasn't pleasant, and honestly it was embarrassing for my new clients to hear all that commotion. Now, of course, this wouldn't happen as often, but when it did suck. Obviously, an office suite, it's not a spa or salon setting, so it's something that's inevitable, something that you can speak to the landlord about, but at the end of the day, like I said, it's not a spa or a salon setting, so you kind of have to stick with it and just go with the flow. Overall, the landlord, it was very kind and sweet, and the office space, the office building in general, was always nice to see. It was very professional. The accommodation was very clean and comfortable. The rent was reasonable. At an office space, you typically would rent the space for a very less amount than what you would like at a salon. The office space that I was also leasing was close to the downtown location, so there was a lot of traffic, there was a lot of potential to gain clientele, so that's something that was a plus in my experience. So my advice, if you ever want to lease an office space, look at every detail. The location, make sure it's a 24-hour access. I'm talking about every single detail you can think of. Is there a nearby bathroom for your clients? Is there a break room? And oh my gosh, parking. Make sure they have an easy, accessible parking lot. That is like so important, trust me. And that is all for this video. I hope you all enjoyed watching. Let me know if you have any video suggestions. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more. Thank you.